In this video, we're going to work on a fraction word problem. So if we have a problem like this that says, Sienna has a chocolate bar and decides to cut it in half to share with her sister Natasha. What fraction represents each part of the chocolate bar? So we know a fraction is written like this. There's a dividing line. You put one number here and one number here, right? And the first thing we need to know is what a fraction is. A fraction is a part of a whole, okay? So when you write it this way, this is going to represent a part of the whole. So the bottom of the fraction is the number of equal parts in the whole, which is called the denominator. And then the top of the fraction is the number of those equal parts you are talking about. It's called the numerator. So the whole chocolate bar is divided into 2 equal parts. So that means the denominator is 2, right? Because it's the number of equal parts in the whole. So then each part is 1 equal part. So the numerator is 1. So 1 is the number of those equal parts that we're talking about. It's called the numerator. So if we were to write that in now, so we'll write in the numerator here, and then we'll put in the denominator here. So the fraction is 1/2. What fraction represents each part of the chocolate bar? So each fraction represents a half. It was cut in half, so each side is a half. And that's the answer.